Let's follow me how to make text effect like this. First, prepare the text. Right-click and create outlines. Set a line to center. Copy. Make rectangle and fill brown color. Right-click, arrange, send to back. Selection, Pathfinder, and -front. Select, press D, and slash. Make horizontal line. Selection and go to Effect. Select zigzag. Set like this. Go to Object and expand Appearance. Selection and use Shape Builder to fix this. Ungroup. Fill color. Select this, go to Effect, Stylize, and drop Shadow. You can set like this. Group this. Send to back. And set align center. Finish. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.